Yan, dito. Yeah. Marami nag-i-hold dito ng birthday. Kagayang naimbitahan kami. There were 2 birthday celebrations held in this area. Isa dito, isa naman dun malapit sa may swimming pool. So usually yung mga ibang part dito ay may mga swimming pool. Yan, big love shout out to our 7 beauty pa name ko. Julia's Beauty. Maybe na ano kita, medyo marumi-rumi dito. Maglilinis pa tayo. So this is may kadena yung kanyang mesa ha. Nakatali baka malam. Iba kasi mga benches, they already planted on the ground. Dito naman hindi, malay mo bitbitin. And then they have drum. My eldest asked me, "Mommy, what is this barrel in here doing?" And sabi ko, for the garbage. Sabi ko, that is very popular in the Philippines. May drum kasi dito. Nagtaka siya bakit daw may drum. So ito ang part dito. So si Julieta, YouTube ka pa? Are you still active on YouTube? Still a group, something like that. And we're still going on what we've started before. Dahil marami tayong makakila. We have this group still. You can contact me on my Facebook account. It's also Anything Under the Sun. Yan yung Facebook namin ko. Pero hindi kami masyadong active sa Facebook. So ito ang pwede ditong Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Short is now very popular on YouTube and it's really doing good. Yan yung ginagawa namin. Nagsushort. Ayan, dito pwede kami mag-held. Marami ng mga na dito This is the evidence that there is so many parties going on in here. Ayan may mga plastiran ng mga poste, Kaso marumi. We have to clean up here. Wala naman tayo ditong walis ting-ting. Kukuha tayo ng mga twigs. Gawin nating walis.
Itong naman? Nahali ito doon dahil.
Ha?
Itong naman?
Lamesa?
Yeah.
Tingnan natin. Parang hindi yun. Parang natanggal. Sila kasi nagdala ng isang lamesa.
Yung nandoon?
Hindi. Mabigat yan. Hindi niya natanggal. Hindi natatanggal. Yung isa kasi, yung natin namin doon, hindi na...
Dito portable table.
Oo, kailangan natin ng maliit na lamesa. Pero kahit wala naman, yan lang okay na siya.
Kasi dapat yan, kainan yan.
Kainan.
Hindi dapat sa pagkain yan.
Hindi naman lahat na upo. Yung doon nga hindi na
Saan
upo.
mo papaupuin ng mga bata?
Marami namang upuan. Pwede doon sa may agindan. Wala kami mga portable na. Kasi kung lamesa naman, wala naman din maupuan. We need chairs. Pero nga upuan naman kasi dito. Ayan. Mega love shout out to our 3 live viewers. Pwede. Because they are doing like camping or something like that. Pwede. Baka may lamesa pa nga sila. They own a restaurant. They have spare table and chairs. Ayan, so dito kami balak namin i-hold yung birthday. So see you on our just deciding about the date because the birthday is very complicated to our schedule. May pasok sa work, may pasok sa school, so we are thinking to move the date celebration to the other days. Basa ang daanan. Buti na lang nakatsinilas tayo. Ikaw nakasapatos, mababasa ang sapatos mo. Ako tsinelas lang. Ayan si Haring Araw. Mega love shout out to our